Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y35 and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. And once you see the logo on the device, let go of both of the keys. This will take us to fast boot mode, so in here you want to use the volume keys to select recovery mode, confirm it with power key. Give it a moment and it should then boot us into, obviously, recovery mode. There we go. And here simply click on clear data and then clear cache. Okay, and that's it. Cache cleared, select return, back arrow, and restart, which takes us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.